Sneezing is your body's way of clearing irritants from your nose. Dust, pollen, strong smells, or even sudden cold air can trigger sensitive nerves inside the nasal passages. These nerves send a signal to your brainstem, which activates a reflex. Your chest muscles contract, your eyes close, and air is forced out through your nose and mouth at high speed, sometimes over 100 miles per hour. Some people even sneeze when exposed to bright light. That's called the photic sneeze reflex. Gen Info. Quick facts, rapid relief.